Hi everyone, welcome back to another beautiful nail video. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm about to do this Valentine nail. I'm just applying my tip right now. I already did the prepping off camera. I'm using my KDS glue to apply the tip. If you want to see how I do my prepping, I have a lot of videos about that. So you can actually go to watch the video. Then you see a full video of how I do my prepping. I'm going to go in with my tip cutter to cut the nails to a perfect length. So now I'm going to go in with my sanding band to take out the shine from the nails. I'm going to go with my nail primer, the extra bond, and the base coat. So, but first, I'm going to go with my nail primer. I'm going to apply it on the natural nails. I'm going to go with my extra bond. I'm going to go with my base coat. I'm going to apply it on all the nails. I'll cure it for 60 seconds. I'm going to start with my pinky, apply it on the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. I have my rubbing alcohol here. So now I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. You can see the tip of the nails is very thin, okay? I applied all the nails off camera already. I already filed those. I'm going to work on these two nails, the pinky and the ring finger. I'm just going to show you guys how I do the filing. Same way, same old style, doesn't change. But first, I will clean with my rubbing alcohol. If you have a slip solution, you can also use that. That comes with your Polygel. So after that one, I'll go in with my Makartt hand file. I'll start shaping both sides of the nails. When I shape the both sides of the nails, I'll also file the top of the nails. I'm going to go with my e-file to file the nails. I'm going to file the cuticle areas of the nails with this one and also file the surface of the nails. So I'm going to go in with my buffer to buff the nails. So these are the nails. I want to start applying my top coat so we can go into the design, and I'll cure for 60 seconds. I have my Modelones nail polish here. This is the dark pink and this is the light pink. So I'm gonna use this to draw the French tip, and then I'll use this to draw the hearts, okay? Because we are doing a Valentine nail design. So guys, I'm gonna draw hearts on the pink areas of the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. I'm going to pour in some acrylic powder and then cure it for 60 seconds. So I'm going to dust out the excess powder on the nails. So I'm not going to apply any top coat again because I want the heart sign to be matte. So now I'm going to go with my cuticle oil and I'll apply it on all the nails. So guys, this is the end of these nails. This is the finished look. It came out so beautiful. This is my little way to show you guys how to do your own nails at home. Please like, share, subscribe, watch to the end, give it a like, give it a good comment, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.